And then they got 4 lines. We'll just have 3. We'll have 1 running forward to the.
Okay, that's going to be behind you. Okay,
just throw that in the water.
Usually you have a bow and a stern person? Or you guys do it too? Pam's got the bow line.
Now our bow is down. It's a little bit heavy in the front, and the reason for it is we don't want the crane or the hoist to hit the spreaders.
Yeah, take that porta potty out. You don't want to hit the spreaders or the mast. Well, that's a ton and a half right there.
Amazing. And then John's other crew, if they have it left yet, they'll be moving the trailer.
Right.
I did it 80 times last year.
They're not out walking. Chit-chat. Yeah.
There's one thing that Tina hasn't said yet.
Like Pam said, there's no tension on this at all, all right? I'm holding on to this, not with the electrical wear.
The other thing that's important when you're doing this operation is if you got a boat that's waiting or something like that, give a hand.
Yeah, right.
These guys are great.
Or get the trailer out.
There, they'll have my trailer here, you know. And I'll get mine back and I'll help the next guy who at least is breaking the boat down over there. So we help each other. All the dry sailors help each other. Some do. Some run get in fast and run up to the bottom. Most of them are good people.
Oh, by the way, I should point out that all of the weight of this boat is on the lifting strap.
Yeah.
These lines here are just to keep it from
stability.
pitching and yawing. So they don't have very much tension on it. You can see how I can just move the boat back and forth. It's just to balance it. Everything's on that strap there. And the reason the bow is down, once again, is to keep the hoist away from the spreaders and the mast. And you guys can jump on the boat and take a look at the strap, how it's rigged if you want to.
While you're in there, pass over here.
No, the beers are up by the trailer. So I'm going to just...
Our boat never has beers.
Keep it right there. And